The hawthorn flower. Nature's cardiac medicine. Oh, and the leaves as well, and the berries. You can treat heart failure with these, high blood pressure. It can dilate blood vessels. It's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It literally is the kingpin of all medicines. So we have leaves and flowers here collected. They're going to dry off nicely now for the winter. That'll be my stash. As I said, high blood pressure, cardiac problems, heart failure, heart disease. It's supposed to clean the arteries in the heart as well. Beautiful tea. But this is the creme de la creme. Has all the same benefits, but much sweeter and tastier. That'll do me now all summer.